Hey guys, we're here in Southwest Bakersfield and today we are checking out one of, if not the biggest brand new construction home in this area. This home is over 3,300 square feet and I know not so many of you are looking for something like that, but if you have a larger family and you're like, that's what I need, space, 5 bedrooms, and you're looking for something brand new, this might be the one for you. So before we go into the home, I want to tell you a little bit about where we're at. We're in this brand new community where they're building so many new homes, from starter homes in the low 400s all the way to something like this in the low 600s. We have tons of shopping centers nearby and easy access to the 99 freeway, which allows you to go in and out of town. And at the end of the video, once we get a little bit closer to the end, I'll tell you guys some of the incentives for these brand new homes and the reason why so many of my clients are getting homes in this neighborhood. So let's go in and check out this home and stay until the end of the video for the good news, best news you'll ever hear. All right, let's get inside this house. This home is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,386 square feet. It's a tongue twister. But before we go into the kitchen and living area, which is huge, you guys, there's actually something special behind the kitchen I need to show you. But before we do that, let's look at this first bedroom. This is not the master bedroom, but you do actually get a separate bathroom here in this bedroom. Go in there and check that out. You get your sink, you get your standing shower, and then right behind you actually get these extra cabinets. I don't know, we don't really see this with a lot of homes, but this is pretty sick. And we actually have a full walk-in closet right over here. Check that out. So if you guys ever have people coming from out of town, or you have an older child, older child that kind of wants to be separate from everyone else, that might be the perfect room for them. And before we get into that main living area, we do have a half bathroom, which is directly across from our 2-car garage. That's gonna be your access right there. But check out this living area, you guys. We have a huge living room area here with tons of natural lighting that just comes in from these windows. I know you peep the covered patio out there. You don't get that with every home. And now take a look at this kitchen. We have the nice brown cabinets. We have so much storage that wraps around this entire kitchen. With all of these brand new homes, you guys, you are gonna be getting your stove, oven, your microwave, which is down over here, and then your dishwasher, which is right there on the island. But check out how much space we have in here. If you love to cook, this might be the perfect home. And now, for the one thing I was telling you guys that is kind of rare, you literally have not just a walk-in pantry, but you get a sink in here, all of your storage over there. We got cabinets in here. Take a look at this. This is such a nice pantry. This is not common for houses, especially new construction, but this home is absolutely insane. Before we even go upstairs, I want you to see this separate dining area. This is another thing that's not very common. We tend to see a lot of the open layouts with new construction. This one still has that, but you kind of get this tucked away separate dining area, which if that's something you were kind of looking for, is that separation in the home, this might be perfect for you. And then look at this stairway before we make our way upstairs. It is so nice. This is the perfect spot for a Christmas tree. For those of you that want like a huge Christmas tree, this might be the perfect place. But let's actually make our way upstairs and check out what this looks like. There's a loft up there and I'm excited to show you guys. All right, you guys, we are upstairs and to your right-hand side, check this out. We have this nice loft area. This is perfect if you have kids and you want them to kind of have their own separate space. Maybe you're gonna have people over and you don't want to mess downstairs. They can make their mess up here. This is such a nice area we have. Before we go over to the master bedroom and that area, let's check out this bedroom right here. We actually have this bedroom facing the front of the home. So right now we're in our second bedroom and then we actually do get a walk-in closet right over there. Let me actually turn that light on so you can see. It's a pretty spacious walk-in closet. And then after that, right next to this bedroom, we do get this, actually, I didn't know if it was worth looking at, but it really is because it's not a regular storage. Check that out. So many shelves, a good amount of space in there. And then we're gonna make our way over towards the back of the home, which is where we actually have the master bedroom. And I'm excited to show you guys that. But first, let's check out this laundry room. We have the shelves, and then we have the washer dryer in this area. You can kind of see how they would fit in this room. And all right, so right next to that laundry room, we actually have our master bedroom right over here. Check this out. So it's facing the back of the home. We get this nice open window, all that natural lighting, you guys. Something they do very well with this floor plan and so many of the other floor plans here is they have a lot of natural lighting that comes into the home, which is super nice if you're someone who likes a bright, open space. Now let's check out this master bathroom. We get our double sinks here with our brown cabinets, and then check this closet out. Full walk-in closet. What are we talking about? You even get a nice little window here to allow that lighting to come in, but this is more than enough space. I often see people move this up and then add another rack here to even double the amount of space you get in this home. And then as you can see in this shower, we actually get the tile going all the way up, which is really nice. That is not common for all homes. Sometimes they just do the inserts, but with this floor plan, they're actually putting the tile all the way up. And then here we have this bathroom. It's just a basic bathroom with our 2 sinks, which is gonna be for these extra 2 bedrooms we have. And then we have our tub shower right there. Right behind that bathroom, we're actually gonna look at our next bedroom. So we've looked through 1, 2, 3. This is our 4th bedroom right here. And then we have our regular standard sliding door closet, which is really nice. And right next to that, we're actually going into the 5th bedroom. Check out that bedroom, you guys. And while you do so, I wanna tell you, because obviously you're not just here to see a beautiful home. This home is amazing. We have 5 bedrooms, one of the larger homes. And if you guys are interested in this floor plan, when you reach out to me, I want you to message me the word Virtuoso, V-I-R-T-U-S-O. I hope I'm spelling that correctly, because that's the name of this floor plan. But with that being said, let's go back downstairs. I'll tell you some of the deals that you can get on something like this. All right, so as I said, I'm gonna tell you some of the deals, but let's actually go out to the backyard first. I wanna show you guys, this home actually comes with a nice covered patio, and this is the model, so you do see it kind of landscaped, but when you're buying one of these new homes, you're just gonna have the dirt back here. That is the one thing you actually have to get done on your own, but you will have this cement covered patio, which is really nice out here. And this yard that we're looking at right now is just for the model home. So some of them could be this size, but they actually have some larger lots available right now. You'd be surprised. Sometimes they're double or triple the length of this yard we're looking at right now. So when you see the yard, do not get discouraged. They usually put the smaller lots as model homes because they're obviously not gonna sell them right away. But you guys, with a home just like this, come on in here, let's get in the, what in the world was that? We had a stick fall behind me. But with something like this, you guys, whether you're looking for a larger home, I know some of you might not be. You maybe just wanted to see this large house. You might be looking for a starter home, something smaller, a 3-bedroom, or you might be looking for something like this. The good thing is that no matter what you're looking for, there is something for you here in Bakersfield with new construction, and we're usually able to get all your closing costs covered by the builder. That's what happens for almost every single one of my clients, which helps you with your upfront costs, so you only have that minimum down payment getting into the home. And then the other thing is that we usually are also able to get special interest rates. I know some people are saying interest rates are high right now, but my clients getting brand new homes actually get rates lower than the current market interest rate, which is so helpful, brings those payments down on a monthly basis. So if you like this home, I told you it's the Virtuoso. If you're ready to get into a home soon and you want to talk to me, feel free to schedule a call with me. The link is down below in the description. We can talk about your plans, what you're looking for. Go out and check out some of these new homes to make sure you get a good deal. And if you are someone who's like, hey man, I don't know if I want to talk to you yet. I just want to know what the process is like. What's this new construction all about? I did create a completely free Bakersfield New Construction Guide, and you can download that with the link here in the corner, one of these corners, and I'll also put it down below. But with that being said, you guys, I'm excited to help you out getting into a home just like this, and thank you for watching this beautiful, amazing home tour. Have a good one. Well, we're here at the end of the video. I'm so grateful you guys watched. Honestly, I try to do these home tours and show you guys what's available out here, what kind of homes and what's going on here in Bakersfield. But like you guys know, when we get to the end of the video, it is now time for the good news, the best news you will ever hear in your entire life. And that is the Bible verse, John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he gave his one and only son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. You guys, that home was absolutely amazing. There are many amazing things in this life. There's vacations, there's achievements, there's diplomas, there's raises at your job. There's so many different things, but we know that everything in this life is temporary, even down to that home we just saw. I'm not talking about quality and all of that, but 100 years from now, whatever, that home is gonna be broken down. They need to rebuild it, all of that. And even down to our own lives are temporary. You guys, we're not here forever. I'm 23. I'm probably a fourth through my life. Hopefully I live to 100, who knows, but it's whatever, we'll see. But we know that we're not here forever. But I'm here to tell you that there is a home. The Bible is here to tell us that there is a home in heaven waiting for me, waiting for you, that is going to be full of joy, of peace, more than what we could ever imagine. So if you're going through a hard time, or maybe you're just stressed and you don't know what's going on, you're chasing things in this world and you're like, man, I'm overwhelmed. Well, I'm here to tell you that our true treasure is in heaven. But there is one little problem that you might not know. And what I'm sharing with you right now is the gospel. It's the truth about Jesus. So I want you to know there is an issue that separates us from God, who is absolutely perfect, and that is our sin. None of us have lived a perfect life. The Bible tells us that no man is perfect, right? No man is sinless. None of us have lived a perfect life. You know, I know, even if it was a little lie or whatever it may be, none of us have lived perfectly. But that is why it matters, and what God did on the cross for us matters, because none of us have lived a perfect life, but God loved us so much, he sent his son, Jesus Christ, here on earth to live in the flesh just like us, and he lived an absolutely perfect life that had no sin. And he did not deserve death, he did not deserve punishment, but guess what he did? At the end of his life, on the cross, he allowed himself to be crucified and put to death to take the punishment for us. 2,000 years later, us right now, he had us in mind, all of humanity in mind, when he allowed himself to be crucified and take the punishment for our sin. That if we put our faith and our trust in what Jesus did on the cross, we get to enter the kingdom of God and be with him forever. You guys, that is the best news, because one, that means that today, if we put our faith and we go, you know what? I am a sinner. I am broken. I know I've done wrong. And I know that none of the good that I do is going to pay for the wrong. It's not about doing more good than bad like a lot of other religions will tell you. It's about having a relationship and trusting in what Jesus did on the cross for you. Because imagine going into a courtroom and you did something bad and you're like, hey, but I did these good things. That's fine. That's amazing. Continue to do those good things, but you still need to pay the price. And what I'm telling you today is that on the cross, Jesus paid the price for your sin so that we can enter into heaven with him forever, you guys. So take some thought into that, because you can make that decision today to trust Jesus and know that because of his life and his perfect life and what he did on the cross, defeating death, he rose from the dead 3 days later. He didn't go around death. He went through death, rose from the dead, showing us that he has defeated death and that we can be with him forever. So I hope you take some thought into that. And if you know that God's been nudging you to join a church, to go attend a church, feel free to click the link down below. There's a link to the church that's my home church, where my wife and I actually attend, where all our friends and people are at. And if you feel like God's been telling you to go so you can be encouraged and be around other people that will help you to grow in your faith with Jesus, then feel free to click that link below. I love you guys. God bless you. Reach out to me. I'm so excited to help you get into a home. God bless.